Hey there guys and gals, D4A here. Now this is going to be a really quick video. I usually don't do these kinds of videos, but a lot of people have been asking for some follow-up information on the rod knock issue, and I finally have that information, so I wanted to do, a little update to tell you guys what actually happened. Now, about an hour ago, I got a call from the machine shop. They opened up the engine and they removed the oil pump and they opened up the oil pump. And they have told me that they have seen traces and noticeable damage from something that looks like a hard foreign material that has entered the oil pump and caused all sorts of mayhem, which at the end caused the rod knock. So they have actually asked me what I have been doing with the engine that could have been a cause of this, and I have told them that I did sandblast the block using coal slag, and they immediately responded saying that this is it, this really looks like it, and this is probably the reason why this has happened. I did tell them that I did wash the engine. As you can see, here's some footage. I washed the engine block, and then I washed it again, and then I washed it yet again. I was really meticulous about it because I know sandblasting an engine block, is a potential recipe for disaster, but I wanted a nice looking block. But I guess at the end, I didn't wash it enough. Now, the machine shop told me that washing out blasting media out of an engine block is a task that is next to impossible, and often even just a tiny bit of blasting media that's left behind can cause serious engine damage. So their recommendation actually is not to sandblast the block at all. If you really want a pretty looking engine block, try blasting it with using soda as a media. Get a professional soda blaster to do the job for you, and they say anything beyond that is probably kind of stupid, not such a good idea. So I guess lesson learned the hard way, the really hard way. But hey, I already dealt with this. I came to terms with this failure. We're moving on. We're building something better. If you have seen my prize giveaway video that I have published, I think a day or two ago, I'm actually building this engine to run on motorcycle carbs, and I'll be soon publishing a video with all the details about how I plan to do that. So to sum it up, I guess if you want to make an omelet, you got to break a few eggs. I broke an engine, so we're going to rebuild it, we're going to move on, and that's it for this little update. So shortest video ever, yay! See you soon on the D4A channel.